friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make pizza with no yeast, no cheese and no oven. You can easily make this pizza with the basic items you have at home. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of maida, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of sugar, half teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of baking soda. Give all the ingredients a very nice mix. Then add 1 tablespoon of ghee and 4 tablespoons of beaten curd. Mix it well. Now start using your hands and knead it well. Knead well until you get a smooth dough. Now we have a smooth dough. Close with a damp cloth and let this rest for 1 hour. Meanwhile, heat a pan, add 1 tablespoon of butter, keep the flame in low. When the butter melts, add 1 tablespoon of maida, mix it well. Then add half cup of milk and stir it continuously, make sure it is lump free. Then add 2 tablespoons of water and mix it well. Now add required amount of salt to this and give it a nice mix. When you achieve this thick saucy consistency off the flame, allow it to cool completely. It's been an hour now, so let's open and check. The dough is nice and soft. Again knead for 2 minutes. Take a pizza tray or any plate, grease it well with ghee or butter. Place the dough in the center and spread it well. Make sure the edges are a little thick as in all pizzas. Now our pizza base is ready. Spread a nice layer of tomato ketchup. Then goes the white sauce. Then top it with any vegetables of your choice. I'm going with onion, capsicum and tomatoes. Finally, sprinkle some pizza seasoning on top and it's now ready to get cooked. Heat a big pan. Place a pizza tray on it. Close with a lid. Let this cook for 20 minutes in low flame. It's been 20 minutes now, so let's open and check. The pizza is perfectly done. Give it a 10 minutes rest time. Then you can enjoy it right away. Very delicious and easy recipe with a very few basic ingredients. So do try this recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit our Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.